You can put a Hellcat blower on.
No shit.
Yeah. And you know what's gonna go out on that Durango first? MDS. Rose brown.
Oh yeah. Can we put a Massey Ferguson flap on it?
What's up? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a little different. We're just helping old Scott Riddle today with his Hellcat. You know, camp kit going in, long tube headers. Car's already been pretty fast. I got you with the intro, didn't I? I got you. You jumped. You didn't expect it. I didn't expect it either. I was doing the quality control, looking back through the video, and it got me. So I left it in there for you guys. This video, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, wasn't structured extremely well. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna make this a video, but I figured you guys want to see it. We had a very small time frame to get a lot done, so I didn't film a whole lot and really plan this out to be a video, but I figured you guys would want to see it. In this video we put a cam, some headers, interchiller, and a few other things that we can't really talk about into Scott's car. That car, for basically a stock motor, made really good power. Like, you won't believe it if I told you. And it ran really good numbers with a 6-speed. Now obviously you'll see, not too long ago we put that turbo 400 in it, and then just one day he just like, hey, we're putting a cam in it too, and I ordered some headers and some other stuff. You'll see. But the car, really high hopes for the car because of what it already did. Now we're adding this. It should do amazing things. So we're trying to get all the race cars put together so that we can go run. So me and Brian, if our car's back out there, they're running small tire. Scott, the car we're working on this video, small tire / daily driver. Anyway, let's get into the video. We got the old cam out, new cam in. They're rebuilding the phaser. Finished putting this cam in. Got the cam plate on, just gotta put the bolts in, and then Alright, so day 2 of the Hellcat cam install. What they don't tell you on any kind of forums anywhere, there is actually a mark on the timing gear. We had to get a whole new phaser because of issues. Anyway, there's a mark. We just highlighted it in yellow that goes straight up. If you can see down in there, has a mark that goes straight up. If you're top dead center and on the crank sprocket, it's straight down. So we still had our timing chain marked. Well, Scott had his timing chain marked, so it just slid right back into place. And that's how you set the cam timing on a Hellcat. So next we have what? Tighten that up.
Cylinder heads.
And then heads. So apparently we can put the headers on the heads and then drop the heads in. We'll try it out.
We'll see.
See what happens. Yeah, I ain't never seen no shit like this in my life. Puts the header on, because hashtag Hellcat. Everybody says it's so hard to do headers in a Hellcat. I don't believe them anymore. Because my man just did it in, what, 10 seconds? Clunk. Oh my God. Look at that shit. Dang. Dang, what a genius. Yep.
Done. Lunchtime.
Done. Let's go eat. Alright. Are we head studs? somewhere. I don't think we went in that far yet. All right, Scott, the people really want to know, how do you make your Hellcat fast? It's simple. You put a turbo 400 in it. Yo, boy.
It's still not fast.
I'm pretty sure there ain't gonna be another Hellcat. Maybe Grumpy Cat.
He's gonna be almost out.
There he is. He's got his pipe. But turbo 400 swapped. It's got Texas long speed headers. Long speed? Texas long speed.
Long tube.
Long tube. Texas long speed tube headers. That's what I'm talking about. It ain't on the floor yet. So, on the balancer, it called for, what was it, 147 and then 150 degrees? Yeah, it's retarded. I don't know why. I sound like an organ. Sounds like an organ. Beep, 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 beep.
A few moments later.
Idle down, baby, idle down. You got a Temps Hellcat. Wait for it, wait for it. Yeah, just a header. Yeah, just a little bit. I'd kill it. Ooh.
Alright, guess it's time for cooling.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Oh, that's not even hitting yet.
Oh no. One thing I know.
It sounded good too.
One thing I know is when it sounds like a tractor, that's how you know it makes power.
Now we can smell it.
You excited?
Yeah. We did good.
Did good. Oh God, I can't wait for it to be painted and making passes, boy.
That was so nerve-wracking. I don't know if I even want to put the radiator and stuff in right now.
Let's throw the bottle in it and go make a pass. Hell yeah. bit. And then you go back. Intercooler is below freezing. The intake air is 71. It's below freezing. You're gonna love that. Big boost. It's cooling my engine temps down. 28. Damn.
Look, come feel it. Come feel this. It hadn't got frosty yet, but feel how cold it is. That quick, boy.
Oh my god. So the intercooler is working.
Yeah.
Everything's hooked up, minus the purge on the nitrous.
Now I can data log
Set-
and get a revision.
Oh. So we got to send it off to the tuner. DVR tunes this car. Scott's car. And that's a wrap. Next time you see it, it'll be running good. And he's probably going to paint it soon. So, Scott Riddle, go. You got TikTok, YouTube? Oh, okay. Well, I guess you're only going to say here, people. Peace.
Damn, feel this.
Is it super cold? Oh, God, yeah. That's what, supercharger in right there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this side
The
is
only
too.
thing that's been tripping me out is this lower radiator hose don't get hot.
Really?
But the heat works and it's not overheating.
Feel this one. That one's cold. Now it was 188, and it started dropping to 186.
Yeah, that means